So good morning, Professor. I'm just going to talk about the project management software called a Hive. So I'm just going to share the screen. This is the Hive's project management software. Project management software is a crucial in today's business for landscape for several reasons. So for example, for the better communications, we need a software, and also for team collaboration, we need a software. So we cannot have the different softwares for different purposes. So collaboratively, we can have it over here. So it also work for the remote work and also for the planning, for scheduling, team management, leading the enhanced productivity. So for everything, we cannot have the separate softwares. So we can have everything in here, one software which is called the Hive over here. So here I can see the my action. So here I can create the various actions over here. So here I can select the project for the task is assigned to the different projects. So I'm just going to create the under the project 2. So I'm just going to for the task 1, and I'm going to give the task descriptions over here. So I'm just presenting over here. So here, if you want to add any subtask, under this task, you can add it. So it's a label. If you want to give any label under here for the reference, so you can over add the label. So if this task has any dependencies with the other task, you can add the dependencies over here. If you want any attachments like a evidence or a reference, you can add the reference over here. If you want to add notes to the team members, you can add the notes over here. And also once a task is created, if you want to communicate anything to the team members, you can add the comments over here. So here, if you can add the when the task is going to start, you can give the task name over here, task date over here, scheduling time over here. So if you want to give any scheduling, you can select the users and you can schedule the so particular time the team member has to complete. Here you can give the status over here. If it is a project is started or the task is in progress or completed, you can also you can have the share, snooze, archive, and delete. So these are the features available for the task creation over here. Once you have created, it will shown in the under the dashboard over here. This is the project navigator. So you can see the overall complete project navigator. So if it is what are the projects which is in active, so project manager can see the different projects in a single screen. So if you want to add a new project, so you can add over the new project, or you want to use a template, or if you want to copy, you can go. And also if you want to any predefined projects in your system, so you can just go ahead and import the project over here. So if the project manager, it will give the all active projects. If you want the project manager wants to see only his projects, so he can go to the my project. So what are the projects under him? So he can able to see over here. So archive project. So what are if the projects need to be archived from here? So I can just go ahead and here archive the project over here. So it will immediately reflect over here. So the user don't want to refresh the complete page. Here is a summary view. So what are the team members are going to do? We can customize a summary view over here. This is the template over here. So if you want to change the view, so I'm just going to create one project over here. Here I can add the team members. So what are the team members, whether the project members or project owner, I can customize over here. Here we do have the various template over here, that is status view and team view, label view. So based on the view which the project manager wishes, he can. For example, I'm just going to create the team view. So he can know about what are the team members, what are the responsibility he has. So he can view based on that. And also here, if you want to any critical projects or a critical task over, you can pin it over here. So you can see the status periodically. Here you can see the projects. If you want to go to the particular project only, you can see go to the particular project over here. And also if you want to communicate anything to the group or everyone to the team members, you can just have the communication with over here. So they will, if you want to go to communicate with a particular person, you can just select the particular email and you can just communicate to them. So if you don't want to go to the other application for the communication, so everything is in this application. And also here you can see notification. So if the project status has been changed to the new status or a completed status, you will definitely have to mention archived. So every notification you can see over here. So under this profile, you can also, if you want to have the different status, would be if you are out of office or in meeting, out of sick, you can just change the status over here so that others can know about your status, so they can communicate easily on the correct time. And also you can see over here, you can manage the users who can view these projects or not. And if there is any task over there, if you want to import it, because every time you don't want to create the task separately. So you can, if you have the any predefined task, you can just import it. If you delete any projects or any task, it temporarily saved in the trash bin. So benefit of the project, I can say that Hive include the very user-friendly interface and smooth collaboration features. And for the limitations, I can say that in the early stages, like 1 or 2 days, the newcomers can feel wherever we need to navigate. Just for the navigation, I think that within 2 to 3 days, he can know about the navigation, where are the options would be there. So since the user friendly, he can also come across this limitation very easily. So I can, Hive is an excellent project management tool. I will highly recommend this, where the place of high value on communication and data management. It is a formulated the competitor in the project management software industry. In conclusion, I can say the Hive is a very useful tool for project managers because it serves the hub between the data management and collaborations. And also it's the, you don't want to go to the separate another applications, because everything is collaborated to over here. So thank you.